The concept of nature's canvas, discovering hidden panoramas, invites us to explore the often overlooked beauty within our natural world, framing it as a canvas painted with breathtaking sights that have yet to be fully appreciated. This notion hinges on the idea that within nature exists a plethora of stunning vistas and intricate details that go unnoticed, just waiting to be unveiled by those who seek them. The importance of this perspective lies in the motivation it provides to look beyond the obvious and reevaluate our relationship with the environment. It fosters a deeper appreciation of nature's complexity and encourages conservation efforts by highlighting the delicate balance and innate beauty of ecosystems. To illustrate this, consider the Amazon rainforest, often hailed as the lungs of the earth. While satellite images provide us with a top-down view, the intricate network of flora and fauna beneath the canopy remains relatively unseen. For instance, there are undiscovered plant species that could hold medicinal properties key to human health. Similarly, in the depths of the ocean, bioluminescent organisms illuminate the waters with dazzling displays of light, a spectacular sight few have witnessed firsthand, but one that showcases the ocean's enigmatic wonder. Supporting opinions suggest that exposing people to these hidden panoramas can be transformative. David Attenborough, a renowned broadcaster, has long advocated that understanding and witnessing nature's splendor can inspire efforts to protect it. This viewpoint underlines the role of education and awareness in promoting environmental stewardship. However, this concept isn't without its challenges. Some argue that increased human interest in these areas could lead to ecological disturbances, as seen in the case of over-tourism in biodiverse habitats like the Galapagos Islands. Such concerns emphasize the need for sustainable practices and responsible exploration. In the broader context, this idea of discovering hidden panoramas links intricately with efforts to document and preserve biodiversity. By unveiling these marvels, we contribute to a greater body of knowledge that can inform conservation policies and initiatives. Simultaneously, this perspective enriches cultural and personal narratives, influencing everything from art and literature to scientific research. Ultimately, nature's canvas calls for a shift in how we perceive the world, inviting us to delve deeper into the beautiful, unseen elements that enrich our planet. The art of nature. Understanding natural landscapes refers to the appreciation and interpretation of the world's natural scenery as both a scientific study and an aesthetic experience. This concept plays a crucial role in the broader theme of nature's canvas, unveils stunning hidden panoramas, as it forms the foundation upon which our exploration and appreciation of these panoramas are built. Natural landscapes, with their intricate interplay of geological formations, flora, and fauna, are dynamic works of art crafted by the forces of nature over millennia. By understanding these landscapes, we gain insights into the Earth's history, ecosystems, and the delicate balance that sustains life. The significance of this understanding lies in its ability to foster a deeper connection between humans and the environment. It encourages us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of nature, which can, in turn, inspire conservation efforts and sustainable practices. For instance, the stunning vistas of Yosemite National Park showcase the majestic grandeur of glacial valleys and granite cliffs, captivating visitors and engendering a sense of stewardship towards nature. Another example is the Great Barrier Reef, which, beyond its breathtaking beauty, serves as a vital marine ecosystem supporting a vast array of life. Understanding how these landscapes came to be and their role in the environment enhances our appreciation and willingness to protect them. Supporters of this idea argue that viewing nature as art can shift perspectives, encouraging people to see the intrinsic value in preserving landscapes for more than just economic gain. However, challenges arise when balancing human activity with conservation. There are controversies surrounding land use, such as deforestation for agriculture versus preserving natural habitats. Alternative viewpoints may focus on the utilitarian use of land resources or the prioritization of human needs over environmental integrity. This concept of understanding natural landscapes is deeply interconnected with other aspects of nature's canvas, such as the exploration of hidden panoramas through travel and photography. It influences how we perceive and interact with less accessible regions, urging us to consider not just the visual wonder, but also the ecological and cultural significance. By framing landscapes as art, we cultivate a collective appreciation for nature's inherent beauty and the mysteries it holds, ultimately shaping conservation narratives and our legacy of environmental stewardship. Techniques for unveiling hidden views involve various methodologies and tools used to reveal or enhance natural landscapes that are typically concealed from everyday view. These techniques can range from artistic interpretations to technological innovations that seek to expose the hidden beauty within the environment. The significance of revealing these hidden views lies in their ability to enhance our appreciation of nature, deepen our connection to the earth, and inspire efforts toward conservation and sustainability. For instance, aerial photography has transformed our perspective on landscapes, offering breathtaking views that are invisible from the ground. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras fly over areas that are either difficult or impossible to access by foot, capturing images that reveal intricate patterns of fields, forests, and waterways, offering new insights into the natural world's complexity and grandeur. Another example is the use of geographic information systems, which combine spatial data to create detailed maps and models of landscapes. These allow scientists and conservationists to visualize and analyze landforms, ecosystems, and biodiversity in innovative ways, offering a clearer understanding of environmental changes and challenges. Supporters of these techniques argue that by revealing nature's hidden panoramas, we foster a greater appreciation for the environment, ultimately influencing public perception and policymaking related to conservation efforts. The unique perspectives they offer can shine a light on areas of ecological importance that may otherwise be overlooked, encouraging protective measures. However, challenges and alternative viewpoints also exist. For instance, critics might argue that the use of drones and GIS technology infringes on privacy and disrupts wildlife. There's also the potential for technological over-reliance, where the mediated view of nature overshadows direct experience. Another concern is the ethical implications of altering or enhancing images, which might present an unrealistic portrayal of nature's true state. In the broader context of nature's canvas, unveil stunning hidden panoramas. These techniques serve as a bridge between art, technology, and environmental science. They enhance the narrative of nature as an ever-unfolding masterpiece, encouraging us to look beyond the surface and appreciate the unseen intricacies of our world. They also inspire artistic endeavors that bring these vistas to galleries and media, broadening the reach of their beauty and impact. Ultimately, they contribute to a more holistic understanding of our natural environment, prompting action and reflection on its preservation and place in our lives. The impact of technology on landscape discovery is a transformative force that has revolutionized how we perceive and engage with the natural world. This concept refers to the use of advanced technological tools and methods, such as satellite imagery, drones, and GIS mapping, to uncover and explore landscapes that were previously inaccessible or unknown. By facilitating this exploration, technology allows humanity to unveil stunning hidden panoramas, enriching our understanding and appreciation of nature's intricate beauty. The significance of this point in relation to nature's canvas unveils stunning hidden panoramas is profound. Technology acts as both the brush and the canvas, enabling us to not only see landscapes from perspectives never before possible, but also to preserve and share these visions on a global scale. This access fosters a deeper connection to nature, inspiring conservation efforts and promoting ecological awareness. Specific examples highlight this transformative impact. Consider the use of drones in capturing high-resolution images of remote areas, such as the untouched rainforests of the Congo Basin. Drones provide insights into the biodiversity and ecosystems therein, contributing valuable data for scientific research and conservation planning. Similarly, satellite technology has enabled discoveries of vast coral reefs and deep-sea landscapes, driving efforts to protect these critical habitats from climate change and human interference. Opinions supporting this idea emphasize the democratization of exploration. Technological advancements mean that not just scientists, but also lay enthusiasts and educators can access these panoramas, promoting widespread environmental education and advocacy. Proponents argue this broad access can foster a collective responsibility to protect fragile environments. However, technology's role in landscape discovery is not without challenges. There are concerns about the over-reliance on technology, leading to detachment from physical exploration and a potential underappreciation of the visceral experience of nature. Additionally, technological exploration may impact sensitive ecosystems through increased human activity and data collection methods that, despite intentions, can disturb habitats. This dynamic interaction of technology with landscape discovery influences other aspects of nature's canvas. By advancing our capacity to document and preserve natural wonders while posing ethical and philosophical questions about our relationship with nature, it underscores the delicate balance between utilizing technology to expand our horizons and ensuring that the very landscapes we seek to unveil remain intact for future generations to experience firsthand. The conversation around these impacts is vital, encouraging a dialogue that blends technological innovation with a deep respect for the natural world.